Let's stay with this matter and speak to Lumka Mahanjana, who is the spokesperson for the NPA. Lumka, thank you so much for your time this afternoon. The reaction from the NPA on this dramatic twist of event?
Obviously, we are shocked by the decision by Advocate Teffo to withdraw from the matter. But as the state, we hope that by the time the matter goes back to court on the 2nd of August, they would have had, the four accused would have had appointed a new legal representative for them. So, but as the state, we are ready to proceed with the matter, and we've been ready to proceed with the matter. And yeah, we hope by the time the matter goes back to court and by the time the trial resumes in September, the four accused would then have a legal representative.
Guarantee, though, that by the time this matter goes back to court, they will then have legal representation, because this process in and itself may be lengthy. I mean, someone new will still need to familiarize themselves with the case, and to get a transcript alone may just prove difficult.
Yes, that person will need to go through the transcript of what happened throughout the trial. But at this point, as the state, we cannot do anything but hope that by the time the matter goes back to court, a person would have been appointed and a person would have maybe gone through some of the transcript, but we will know that by the 2nd of August, when the matter goes back to court.
Are you concerned about the delays, though, because Senzo's family has been waiting for quite some time now for justice?
Yes, as the NPA, we've maintained that we are concerned about the delay in this matter. As the state, from the beginning of the trial, always maintained that we are ready to proceed with the trial. We've always wanted to start with the trial. So as a state, obviously, we are concerned by this delay, and we are concerned, we are shocked by the withdrawal of the advocate from this matter, but we hope that things will proceed smoothly.
The advocate in this case, though, says that he was pushed to this particular position because he says that the NPA and the police have been harassing him. What do you say to that?
Unfortunately, we cannot comment on the allegations done by the advocate. However, as the NPA, we've been following the right procedures in court. We've been doing everything as per the procedure. However, Advocate Teffo felt that he was being harassed, and as the state, we cannot comment further on his feelings.
We heard him as well in the morning talking about a letter that he had written, which seeks to really, get these charges dropped against the four accused who were his clients in the morning. And he says it's written to, the office of the DPP. Have you got sight of that letter? Does it exist? Are you in possession of it?
At this moment, remember, the matter today was supposed to resume for the issue of the jurisdiction.
Yes.
However, Advocate Teffo since abandoned that matter. And then he said now he wanted to make other applications to the NDPP. As it was said in court that those applications then will find fruition when the matter resumes again.
So are you saying that, because he says that he's written this letter, are you saying you've not seen the letter, it hasn't reached the NDPP, or is it, are you still expecting the letter? Because it kind of created an impression that the letter has been written already.
The application which he said he was submitting, he said in court that he sent the application to the NPPP, however, CC'd the DPP office. As the DPP office, you can confirm that we were included in the email when the letter was sent.
All right. Okay. Lumka, let's then see how this one plays out in the public domain. Of course, as you say, that the NPA is also concerned about the delays in this particular matter. Let me thank you for your time this afternoon. That is Lumka Mahanjana with the National Prosecuting Authority.